Hello and welcome to Extraclass, and today we are going to be looking at two aspects of mixed numbers and improper fractions. We are going to look at mixed numbers and improper fractions, of course made easy at Extraclass Online Academy. Our objective: by the end of this lesson, I expect you to be able to convert a mixed number to improper fraction and also vice versa, which means I expect you to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Right, now we know our target for this lesson. The next thing is for us to know what is a mixed number. A mixed number is a number which has a whole number and a fraction. Okay, it must have a whole number. So let's write an example of a mixed number. We are going to have our whole number 2, then a fraction. This is an example of a mixed number. Okay, we have the whole number, which is 2, and also the fraction, which is 1/2. What is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator greater than the denominator. So a numerator that is greater than the denominator. We are going to be looking at 10/7. Our numerator is 10, our denominator is 7. This fraction is an improper fraction. So likewise, we can convert this to this, or this one to this one. This is the objective of today. Let's start with converting mixed number to an improper fraction. Right, so we have said a mixed number, it is a fraction with a whole number and a fraction. So a mixed number is just a number with a whole number and a fraction. We want to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Example number 1. 2 1/3 to an improper fraction. So in order for us to do this, to convert this mixed number, we are going to follow 3 steps. Step number 1, we multiply the whole number by the denominator. Okay, let's multiply the whole number by the denominator, which means, let me rewrite it a little bit bigger so that you can see. We are going to multiply here these 2. Okay, then we add there. Can you see? 2 times 3, 3 times 2 plus 1. So let's do the addition now. We multiply the whole number by the denominator. The whole number is 2, denominator is 3. So let's multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Add the numerator, it becomes 7. Write the answer over the original denominator. Our original denominator is 3. So our denominator is going to remain as 3. Our numerator is going to be 7. This is how we rewrite a mixed to improper. Let's recap. Multiply the whole number by the denominator, 2 times 3. Add the numerator plus 1, 7. Rewrite over the original denominator. Our original denominator is 3. We have 3. And then 7. Okay? Here is another example where we are going to have 4 and 2 over 5. So in your mind, I know kuti here you must multiply, there we must add. Let's multiply 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2, it is 22 over the original denominator, which is 5. This is how we can convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's go to converting improper fraction to a mixed number. How can we do this? We are going to follow examples where we have 11 over 4. Now, we also have a set of very simple instructions. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Here's our numerator, 11 divided by 4. So 11 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? Now, the quotient becomes the whole number. Did you see what I did? This is the quotient. What do we get from dividing? Okay, so 11 divided by 4 is 2. The remainder. What is the remainder? The remainder is 3. How did I find the remainder? I said 4 times 2, it gives us 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So 3 over 4. Here is our mixed number. Exercise example number 1, example number 2. Let's look at example number 2. 23 over 7. Right. So first divide the numerator by the denominator. 23 divided by 7 is 3. The quotient becomes the whole number. Here's our quotient. Then the remainder becomes the numerator. So already our denominator is 7, and it, like here our denominator is 4. The denominator doesn't change. You can see here the denominator doesn't change. Here the denominator doesn't change. Even here the denominator doesn't change. So what is the difference between 21 and 23? It's 2. This is how we can convert improper to mixed number. Now, up to this point, I am sure that you can be able to attempt to these questions. Here is your homework. Convert 5 and 1 over 4 to an improper fraction, 13 over 5 to a mixed number, and 2 and 3 over 8 to an improper fraction. Like always, I want to see your answers in the comment. Okay? Please write your answers in the comment section. I will be happy to see your answers. If you have got any challenge, you can also ask me in the comments. I am going to respond. If you know someone who is struggling with mixed numbers and improper fractions, please take them. You can also share. You can also subscribe. If you are on YouTube, you can click the thumbs up button. It helps the algorithm to know that Extraclass is giving you valuable information. Thank you very much for your time, and please watch the next video.